we are doing a review on these wireless headphones made by a company called Riwbox, or sold by a company called Riwbox. I've never heard of this company before, but we are doing a review on them. They're high professional quality, and the model number is the XBT 880, and they cost around about £20 to buy, so not a lot of money. So it says specifications, so driver unit, it says speaker material ND-FFB, speaker size is 40mm, Bluetooth version is 5.0, which I thought, oh, 5.0, that's very good. Power rating is 30, speaker sensitivity 107, plus or minus 3 decibels, resistance 32, mic sensitivity 50, plus or minus 3 decibels, mic type, capacitance, mic frequency range is 30, playtime 10 hours, standby 160, and charging time 2 hours. So we'll probably have to charge it up. We've probably got a little bit on there, but maybe not enough. It has a built-in microphone, and the microphone's actually built into the cable and the headset, which is probably a good idea actually. So it's ideal for computers, something like an iPad or a smartphone, or even a Bluetooth MP3 player if you've got one, or an MP4 player. So with that, let's get her out, shall we? So it's got a clear bit of plastic on top. Get that in the way. I think it came in 4 different colours. I chose this colour. So quite light, not heavy at all. Nice material. Let's see what we get. Let's get everything out. I might have to read the instructions for setting it up. So this will probably be a thank you card. Oh, it's a warranty card. So there's your warranty. Says it's a 5-star warranty. Anyone who purchases Riwbox products from Amazon will receive 1-year warranty service registration. Okay, fair enough. Instructions, I'm not going to read them out. I'm just going to have a quick look. And that's all in English. And I believe that in Chinese. I could be totally wrong, so I do apologise if it's not Chinese. Before you moan at me. Let's have a look, see what we get in the bag. I'll get her out the bag. Been beaten by a bag. Come on, come on, come on. Get that way. So you have a charging lead, so no plug, so you will need to use your phone charger for charging it up, or a USB charger of some type. So that's probably about 6, maybe 700mm long. At a guess. So not too long, but should be long enough. At least it's not too short. Nothing worse than having it about that long. And you think, ooh, how am I supposed to charge that up? So let's get this out. Right, this is a long lead, that's better. That's probably about 1.5, maybe 2 metres at a guess. I will have a measure up both leads in a minute. Yeah, definitely at least a metre, if not 1.5, at least. Right, so you have a 3 connection there and a 2 for there. So this will probably go in your tablet or your phone, and this one will go in that. And it has to go round that way, because if you do it the other way around and you plug it into your phone, if you don't want to use, if you want to use a jack connection, it will not recognise it, so you have to make sure you put it in the right way around if you're going to use a cable. That is a nice length of cable actually, and you've got a little button. There's your mic. You've got a little on-off button there, which should work really well. Let's have a look at the headphones themselves. So it says Riwbox. That's how I'm going to pronounce it. I'm not sure if it's right. They look really nice actually. I do like the style. I don't think it done it justice on the Amazon website. They actually look better in person than what they did on Amazon, and they feel really nice. So there's all your adjustments. You've got your on off, you've got your forward and your backwards. I'm not sure what that one is. It looks like answering a phone or something. Yeah, they look like really nice quality. Oh, that's good. Left, right. I like that. It's very good. Easy to understand. So it's wireless. It says wireless in there. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, first impressions, they do feel like quality. And yeah, they do. So there's your adjustments. I mean, look at that shine on there. I love that. That's really good. Yeah. So I'm going to charge right. Oh, some more bits here. So here's your charger being here. See how easy that is to pop out. So that's your little pop out. Right. So if you want to use the cable, so for instance you want to plug it into a PC, then you would just plug it in there. Plug the other end into your PC or even your phone if you've got one. Like I said, make sure you get round the right way. Yeah, and then that goes into your PC or your phone or your tablet. Yeah, so first impressions, yeah, very impressed actually. Love the quality. For £20, they do feel like nice quality. We'll give them a test on the sweat as well, see how sweaty they make your ears and how comfortable they are. I have quite big ears. So with that, I'm going to charge her up and read the instructions. So I will be back. Right, she's all set up and she's ready to go. We are going to be using the Bluetooth and we are going to be testing to see how easy it is to connect. Also, there is a microphone actually on the headset, and that is that baby there, I do believe. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's that. And that one now is your little flashing light for connecting. So we're going to turn her on. Should get a flashing red and blue light, like so, like that. Turn on my phone. Go to my Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth, and look for the device. Pair to new device. Give it a few seconds. And there it is, XBT 880, that baby there. Pairing, allow it to have access to your contacts and stuff. Pairing, and that was really easy. That was extremely easy. So the light should be just flashing blue. So there's no red, it's just blue. So that means it's all paired up. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to play some music and have a listen to it and see how good it is. And see how comfortable it is as well, and whether or not it makes my ears sweat, because that's one of the things I don't like, to get sweaty ears. Right then, so what do I think? Yeah, I like them. Nice bit of bass, nice bit of treble to go in with it as well. A good balance, I think. Listening to people talking, you know, when I get a phone call come through, you can hear them nice and clearly. It is a little bit on the bassy side, but it's still nice and clear. I'm quite impressed, considering the amount of money you paid for these, or I paid for these. I'm very impressed. They fold up nice and easy. They're adjustable. They can be a little bit hard on your head, so I tend to lift it up a little bit further than what I would probably normally do, and they feel really comfortable. So if you have it like that, you can feel it on your head, but if you just take them down a little bit more, so they're just touching your head, it works perfectly. Like, that's about right for me. I was surprised because normally I prefer a bigger circumference, but these feel very comfortable. And when I'm outside, when it's really hot, like it is today, I've actually got the aircon on at the moment, and it's quite warm out there. I was sitting out there earlier and I thought, oh, these are going to get really sweaty. They get warm, but don't get really sweaty, so I'm quite impressed with that. Because I thought it's just leather or maybe something like that, but yeah, like I said, they do get warm, but I haven't noticed any sweatiness, which is what I like. Like I said, clarity of sound or music sound anyway, I thought that was extremely good. I really do like the bass on these little things, and I also like the treble as well. You get plenty of bass, get plenty of treble, which is what I like. So great for turning it up, and it is quite loud as well. So with that, they definitely get my thumbs up, and hopefully you like this video and give me the thumbs up, and if you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.